to dig into the hydraulics, find out why they're not working. Notice dude had one different size front tire than another. This might be why the four-wheel drive's disengaged. You can see it down there. The replacement part is about $300. PTO works fine, but until the hydraulics get fixed, it's not going to do anything. Fixing to pull the valve cover off and see what shape the engine's in. I think it'll be in decent shape. Steering arm now. Yeah, I think we're going to go with the turf tires because they're the same size for now until I get a replacement for that 612. And steering parts are on the way. There's a little worm here with the bearings. Fun stuff. And that's it. It's a Satoh 470 s470d buck. I think it'll be nice once I finish it. Well, now it's not really in bad shape. We'll see.